How Egypt controls the Nile.
This is where theory meets reality. The precision in these blueprints must be matched by your dedication on site.
A vision realized. This monumental achievement demonstrates how Egypt controls the Nile.
All teams, confirm adherence to world-class engineering standards.
Data integration complete. Protocols maintained.
Watch the load on that truck.
Drilling rig 3, increased pressure. We need to hit grade on the bedrock stabilization.
Ensure seismic safety compliance on that section. Double-check all welds before the pour.
Geotech confirms stability. Proceed with the lift. Copy that. Crane, swing 20 degrees east. Hold for alignment confirmation.
Ensure the precise positioning protocols are engaged.
Calibration complete. The equipment is reading stable.
Hold position 7. We need to verify alignment on the south side before proceeding. Safety check initiated.
From heavy construction to advanced systems integration, we implement precise protocols, ensuring mega infrastructure.
Ensure the seismic safety checks are logged immediately.
We've confirmed the electrical infrastructure installation is fully compliant.
Final inspection confirms long-term durability optimization.
The protocols were implemented precisely. Project success is assured.
Our systems engineering approach integrates geological surveying and environmental impact assessments in real time.
We need to rotate it slightly counterclockwise.
Copy that, rotating now.
Slowly lower the beam into position.
Hold it steady. Looks good. Secure the connection.
Geotechnical analysis confirms protocol compliance. Proceed with the next sequence.
Laser alignment is locked.
Reading confirmed on the tablet. Seismic dampener is within tolerance.
Good. Proceed with final securing protocols. From precise load-bearing calculations to robotic integration and advanced drone testing, we maintain world-class engineering standards. Carbon reduction is tracking at 22% below projection.
Water efficiency is optimized. We are maintaining compliance.
Advanced fabrication technology and precise construction protocols ensure structural integrity, guaranteeing project success in mega infrastructure development.
Advanced engineering equipment and precision surveying instruments are utilized to implement strict construction protocols, ensuring environmental sustainability.
Total station reading confirms level approach. Lower slowly.
Copy that. Bringing it down gently. Watch the clearance on the south side.
From initial site preparation to the final testing of electrical infrastructure, we utilize advanced equipment to maintain the highest quality standards.
Initial inspection confirms the beams are perfectly positioned. The advanced equipment validates the durability protocols.
Advanced engineering systems coordinate geological surveying and environmental impact assessments, utilizing precise construction protocols to ensure regulatory compliance.
All right, hold the cage steady. Copy that. Bringing the concrete pump around now.
Check the tensioning rods on Sector 4. The specs are right here.
They look loose. We need to tighten them immediately before the next pour.
Check the seismic readings on the display. Levels are stable. We are clear to proceed with the lift.
Implementing precise construction protocols and high-strength material integration, ensuring project success throughout mega infrastructure development operations.
Equipment is settling into position. Running final diagnostics.
Diagnostics complete. Installation successful. Reliability standards confirmed.
Safety system shows green across all metrics. Project X is a go.
Copy that.
Lowering the segment into position now.
Fabrication efficiency is holding steady at 395%.
Confirmed. This weatherproofing membrane needs to extend to here. Yes, the protocols mandate full coverage on this segment.
Lowering Module 7. Confirming precise alignment protocols are active. Module is secure. Integration sequence looks good from here. Commissioning initiated. Systems check complete.
Initiating system diagnostics on Unit 4.
Running parallel environmental compliance check. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Test sequence successful.
From initial geological surveys to advanced seismic safety compliance, our engineering systems ensure the success.
We're lifting now. Keep it steady.
All right, guiding it in. Looks good. Lower gently.
Implementing precise construction protocols and advanced equipment ensures quality and success in all our mega infrastructure operations.
These protocols must be strictly followed for the rebar installation.
I agree. We need to verify the measurements before the next pour to ensure seismic resistance.
From precise load-bearing calculations to high-strength material integration and testing, our advanced
The elevation checks out. We are within seismic compliance.
Roger that. Mark it complete on the tablet.
Implementing precise construction protocols, we integrate complex mechanical systems, ensuring structural integrity across the entire operation.
Elevation check confirms protocol compliance.
Diagnostic systems are green. Installation test cycle initiating now.
Precise construction protocols ensure long-term reliability. Final inspection confirms performance validation. Implementing precise construction protocols and maintaining the highest quality standards ensures project success throughout all development operations. The excavation depth matches the protocol.
Ready for the next sequence once the rig finishes the bore. Signal the dump truck to reposition for the next load.
The structural framework assembly is completing, utilizing advanced engineering equipment and precise construction protocols for infrastructure longevity.
The subsurface readings look stable for the next placement on Pillar 4.
Acknowledged. Maintaining the current load pressure as it settles.
Verify the coordinates for the anchor bolts. Measured variance is within the specified tolerance.
Proceed with the installation sequence.
Utilizing advanced engineering equipment, we integrate high-strength materials based on precise load-bearing calculations.
We are maintaining precise construction protocols.
The installation sequence is green across the board. Project success confirmed.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the south side. Holding steady. Ready for the connection sequence. Confirmed. Locking engaged.
Bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the tension. Hold it steady. It's locking in now.
At Midel 2, our focus on mechanical systems integration ensures we meet the highest safety requirements for mega infrastructure development.
Advanced systems monitor every phase.
The geological survey data confirms we are on track for the next phase of construction. The scan confirms the rebar spacing meets seismic protocol. Good. Mark it compliant and move to the next section. The deployment of heavy machinery is precisely coordinated, maintaining environmental sustainability protocols throughout the operation.
Check the measurements on the scanner.
Precision alignment confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Good. Protocols are implemented.
Test point 4 results confirmed.
Matching projected load-bearing capacity.
Uploading data to the central server now. Calibrating to grid reference Alpha 4.
Alignment showing green. Proceed.
Component secure. All clear for release.
We integrate advanced safety monitoring and sustainable practices, ensuring regulatory compliance and project success across all operations. Data acquisition confirms infrastructure longevity standards are met.
Excellent. Mark this section complete for documentation.
The coordinates match the schematic.
World-class standards achieved. Ready for the next phase.
From assembly to final inspection, advanced equipment and precise protocols ensure structural integrity and project success.
Utilizing advanced engineering systems for precise geological surveying and environmental impact assessment ensures project success and sustainability.
The sequence demonstrates strict civil engineering protocols. Concrete batching and reinforcement installation must adhere to precise quality standards for this mega infrastructure project.
Hold tension on the main hoist.
Copy that. Tension holding. Bring her down slow.
Watch the alignment on section 3. Clear the red zone.
Structural integrity sensors are green across the board for Sector 4.
Good. Proceeding with the heavy machinery deployment as planned. Confirming compliance now.
Alignment check complete. We are within the required tolerance.
Confirmed. Proceed with the next section placement.
All systems show green. The resonance frequency matches the design spec.
Excellent. Equipment calibrated and validated for deployment.
The seismic dampener readings are stable.
Cross-reference that with the structural integrity scan from the drone.
Confirmed. Protocols are being strictly followed.
Implementing precise construction protocols and advanced engineering equipment ensures environmental sustainability and project success.
Commissioning sequence initiated. Pressure levels stabilizing across all primary pipelines. Performance validation confirms everything is within tolerance.
Excellent. This ensures long-term durability and project success.
From initial geological surveying and environmental impact assessment, we utilize advanced engineering equipment.
This section is ready for the anchors. Mark it on the blueprint. Confirmed. The excavation depth matches the specifications.
All right, team, lower the beam slowly. Watch the alignment.
Check the seismic readings on Unit 3.
Levels are stable. Proceed with the next bore sample.
Measurements verified. We have precise alignment. Copy that.
Crane, initiate final descent sequence now.
Lift sequence initiated. Watch the tension cables.
Swinging the beam around now.
All right, hold it steady right there. Lowering in 3, 2, 1.
All right, team. Let's get this finalized. Ensure protocols are followed precisely.
We're showing green across all monitoring systems.
Sustainable construction practices, safety system implementation and monitoring, utilizing advanced engineering equipment, ensuring project success.
Alignment confirmed. Structural integrity marked green across all sectors. Acknowledged. Initiating final placement sequence now.
Guide it down slowly, maintain tension. Clearance is confirmed on grid 2.
Module is positioned. Integration complete.
Utilizing advanced engineering equipment, we implement precise construction protocols, maintaining world-class standards for project success.
From initial inspection with advanced equipment to final durability validation, we ensure international construction excellence.
Geological data confirms bedrock stability for the next phase.
All right, implement the revised construction protocols as planned.
Foundation integrity looks good. Prep the next borehole.
Copy. Setting coordinates now.
The subsurface scans confirm the load-bearing capacity here. Good.
We can proceed with the foundation piling in Sector 3.
Pressure applying to 150% capacity. Monitoring structural integrity now.
Reading stable. System integrity verified. Load capacity passed.
We have an incident on the I-5 southbound, initiating emergency response protocols.
Rerouting traffic flow now to minimize delays. System stabilizing.
Pioneering infrastructure, a legacy of innovation. This documentation captures the engineering breakthroughs